Okay. Now we'll talk about your WAT that you have written. That is the word association test. What we have already said, that you will write only observational type of sentence to the extent possible. Secondly, we talked about it. It's a confirmatory test of TAT. It's a confirmatory test. From unconscious label, which was a TAT, we have come back to subconscious label in WAT. There you could write anything. You could have to imagine a story, and your thought and feeling will come in different format. Here, since a word is given, it will correlate with some of your experience in the past, and response is going to be generally restricted to that line. And since the time is very short, you got only 15 seconds time. You normally, even if you don't want it, your output will be from your subconscious level. Okay. Now, this, as I said, all 60 words are organized to bring out how to check your 15 qualities, which have been covered into 4 clusters we call factor 1, 2, 3, 4. Factor 1 is related to head, that is effective intelligence, reasoning ability, organizing ability, and power expression. Factor 2, social adaptability, cooperation, and sense of responsibility. Factor 3, initiative, self-confidence, speed of decision, ability to influence group, and liveliness. And fourth factor is determination, courage, and stamina.
Yes.
So now these 15 qualities, so the words are arranged in such a way that the first word is generally, I expect that the candidate will give out response from the first factor 1. And that factor 1 is related to head. Second word is factor 2, that is, you must be a good human and you must be good at heart. That is what is there. Third word will be to check back how effective are you, social effectiveness, what qualities which are needed to be effective in society, do you have them or not? And finally, fourth word will be from factor 4, that is determined dynamic qualities. And this is being repeated. So that means each factor would be tested at least 15 times. So each group of qualities, I expect that you'll give it me in 15 times. You may not give it. That's a separate issue. Secondly, time is limited only 15 seconds. And this is in continuous with the TAT. As a result, the fatigue does set into play. Until you take control yourself, fatigue will take control, sir. So don't lose heart. Take control of yourself. There will be certain what you call psychological, but this is going to create a lot of anxiety into yourself. So what is there? In spite of the fact that you will get a negative word, it is to check back either your phobia or your biases or certain quality which are there. That's why word like blood, crime, but the death and all the words comes into play. Okay, let's see some of the sentences that you have made it, written it on there, and let's understand what does really imply. Okay, read the first one.
She has the ability to guide a group.
So what it is? See me. It is a self-oriented. I, me. I have already told you must write, not make a sentence with I, me, he, we, she. You are talking your self-praise, is it or not?
Sir.
It is she means you. You are doing what you are trying to talk about yourself. You may be a good person. It is for me to decide how good are you. Why do you want to bloat yourself? Yes, I'm the best person available. It has got many psychological implications. We'll talk later on. But for this she has the ability to guide a group. Group of what? Group of for what? Which job? Is it complete? No. Next, what is there?
She is very clean and organized.
So, how does the clean means? What does the word clean means? Good looking? No.
Organized.
What I'm talking the word clean, very clean. What clean means what? Is it clean from the heart or clean from the head, clean from the body. That's the problem. Is the cleanliness from the heart, cleanliness from the person. His person should be clean. That is what we are looking for psychology. It is a psychological test, test of personality.
Sir.
Okay, so clean and organized. Okay, next, third one.
She takes care of her siblings
when in what, so this is, you have become conditional. This is related. We talked about relatedness. So it will when, in what circumstances you take care of siblings? When probably maybe that when you have got no job, when you are free. So this becomes conditional support. Isn't relatedness? It becomes a conditional. He's told me, sir. Next is what?
She overcome her fear of height by practice.
So this is also, I told you on there. We are trying to check for phobia and biases. So they clearly got phobia of height. And this is what is phobia of height, which is not acceptable in services.
Sure.
So why do you want to bring out your own mistakes? Number 5.
Her acceptance about her drawbacks was well accepted.
So why do you want to why the acceptance? Who are you trying to show those drawbacks? Who are you trying to show? For what? Indicates what is you have got insight about, your drawbacks. But who are you? Why? In what way? By telling me you have got this drawback, why should I appreciate it? Unless you are in a position to take corrective measures for the drawbacks that you have got it, only telling that you have got drawback does not really solve the problem. Does it solve the problem?
No.
Tell me. No, you've done something. In what way? So why should I select you in that case then?
Sure.
Okay. Next is
dislikes of hers was overcome by practice.
See, you've got strong likes and dislikes. Again, a problem in the services. Strong likes and dislikes, you cannot afford to be. It is tentative, it is situation. I cannot afford to have likes and dislikes. Okay, we like and dislikes. Okay, I may like sweets, that's fair enough. But then for the sweets, I can do anything. Okay, next. 7.
Her parents never compelled her to pursue her dreams.
So what does it mean? Doubt in relation with the parents. What are you trying to do? My parent never compelled me to. It means what? It means what? There's certain more doubts I have got in my mind that there is not so good relationship exists with your parents and with you and with your parent. Not so good relationship. Maybe he may be authoritative. He wants to do something. You may have said, no, I would like to pursue this. It's okay. You have your own way. So there's certain amount of doubt keeps coming on there. Now let's see. 8.
Angry never gives peace of mind.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, next one. 9.
Her bravery was well evident at the trekking camp.
At the trekking camp. How is bravery related to trekking camp? What is bravery? Taking risk knowingly. Okay, fair enough. So how does bravery come into play? Trekking. Stamina, yes, but not bravery. Did you go and kill a tiger or what? No.
No, sir.
Did you fight with a bear? No. Or did mongoose disturb you and you just gave mungfali to him? Probably.
No, sir.
So that's okay. Okay, nice. Okay, 10. Read it.
She never disobeyed her seniors.
What does it mean? Again, 7, you say, I've got I always, my parents help me. 7 and 10 confirms my doubt. There's some sort of problem with you have got to authority figure, there's a problem. You would have certainly been in disagreement with your seniors, parents, or sometime. That confirms to me that I have got no doubts. Look at it. I said 7 and 10 confirms doubt about not so good relationship with your seniors. You would have had that tendency to differ with them and you would always argue with them. You may or may not have your way, but you will certainly would have argue given your point of view. Okay. Next.
It's not complete.
So it's incomplete. So what does that mean? It's no credit. Okay, one odd missing because of pressure of time, probably accepted. Okay, next is 12. What was the word which you have avoided? One, avoided means I don't know which the word was, but you have avoided. That means you didn't want to give any response.
Okay, sir.
So you have purposely avoided. We'll check back what the word is. But I'm quite confident that you have tried to avoid it because first sentence is incomplete. As a result, that you have come under pressure. And second word was so negative that you didn't want to give any response. Okay. Okay. 13 paro.
Patriotism comes from action, not words.
Okay. Accepted. Next. 14.
Family is the best and first school of a child.
Okay, good. So that means you would like to be a family man. Fair enough. That is a good thing. Okay, next.
She encouraged her friends to be motivated.
So see what is encourage her friends to be motivated. What does it mean now? Seems you lack motivation yourself.
Okay, sir.
Secondly, क्या होता है? You are trying to be critical of your friend. It is the time to bring out quality, not anything else. Next one. Next, read it.
She beat up her fear of failure.
Again, now you see you've got fear, phobia of height. Now you've got a bit of fear of failure, and this is evident at the 3-story TAT. Remember, 3 TAT story of failure and WT confirms problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next.
Sir, 1 minute, sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Start. Now, start. 17. What is the word?
She has a practical solution to the problem.
Again, it's a personal oriented. Yes, avoided. Next, 18.
They have a very good friendship.
Okay, good. Next, 19.
She apologized for her faults.
So what it means again? 19 is 5 and 19 does indicate not so good temperament of doing mistakes and then repenting it. What is 5? Look at it, 5. What is 5? Indicates good insight, but why should you say no? So which quality emerged? 5, what does it mean? She accepted about her drawbacks and again well appreciated. Now look at it here. And what is come again? Again, is it repeat or not? 5 and 19 does indicate not so good temperament of doing mistakes and then repenting and apologizing for the same. Okay, next. 20.
Happiness removes sorrows from.
So it means what? Not so. There are certain problems in the family which brings in sort of negativity, negative thought. So negativity comes into play. Pessimistic, you already talked about earlier. So there's a negative. So not so, there's some issue in the family which you are not very happy with. Okay. Okay, next, 24, 22, 23.
21. She has the best solution to the problem. 22,
martial arts. Okay.
The girls have been well trained in martial arts.
So how does it's a statement of fact? Which quality does it bring out? Aim is to bring out your qualities. Okay, next. Her teamwork.
Her teamwork led to completion of tasks.
Okay. Fact, completion of tasks. So, okay, good. Chalo, again, next, 24.
She never dragged something unnecessary.
So what is strong likes and dislikes? Again, you says, again, strong likes and dislikes linked to number 6.
Okay, sir.
Aage chalo. 25.
She had a well-focused and purposeful goal.
Okay, good. So good. So you want to do well in life. That's happiness. That's an indication you got motive. You want to do well. Next.
Humans love one another for uh, the
What there?
what their personality is.
You are confused in that case. That's it. Not meaning then come out the way you want it to. Okay, next 27.
The president took the oath yesterday.
So how does it matter? It's a statement of fact. Which qualities emerge?
Yes.
Next.
Lighting up a candle removes darkness.
Okay, accepted. Next.
She answered the questions very accurately and precisely.
Okay, chalo. Next.
Loafer, I didn't write it.
Okay, next. What was the word?
Loafer.
Loafer. What does loafer mean? What is loafer? A person who is an idiot, who keeps creating a problem in the society.
Sir?
Loafer is a person who creates a problem. Loafer is a person who... Okay, you didn't know because this word has come in the English dictionary later on. Okay, obey her. 37. Read 37.
She obey her seniors.
Again now, same 7, 10 and 31 puts doubt and respect for elders. That is confirmation now.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now read 38, 37 next. What is the word? 32.
32. Desperate to join the forces.
Okay, desperate to join forces. Very good. That shows in motivation. I accept it. Next.
Her report has all the necessary points.
Okay, Chagu, go ahead. Therefore, you will not write your statement. You should write a statement. I have already shown you. It's much observational type of sentence. It brings out more qualities. Again, she writes again.
Okay.
She writes a lot.
She writes a lot during her free time.
During her free time. Okay,
that's free time.
Okay, next.
She is the best kabaddi player of her college.
Okay, so this kabaddi has come back 3 times. Very nice. Only I hope it doesn't get repeated again. You would have got it somewhere else also. Chalo, next. She
analyzed her past and learned from her failures.
Again, this word has come back again. There is how many times this failure word has come? At least 5 times.
Sir.
Okay, next.
She tried her maximum for a better tomorrow.
Still not say again related to 36. Not successful yet.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
A person is well developed in his family.
Okay, you won't like to be a good family man, which there's a good quality, which it is get confirmed. Earlier also you talked about it the same way. So is a relatedness. You like to have good relationship with the family. Okay, next.
Respect can't be forced; it should be earned.
Okay, good. Next. That confirms my doubt about your not so good relation with your bosses and the seniors. Okay. You expect them to earn the respect rather than give the respect. So you will always be, countering them. You say, better earn it. You may be teacher, you may be my father, you may be my boss, but I can't give you respect until you deserve it. Okay, that's the problem. Okay, next.
The soldier fights for his nation is the best example of bravery.
Good. Next.
The board is well decorated.
How does it matter? Which quality emerge then? Next. So it's not, why are you wasting? It's a resource, isn't it? Resource. Why should we waste a resource? Why are you wasting? Sure. If I'm writing something, if you don't give me credit, why should I write it?
Yes.
Next. Read the next one. His life is?
His life is his message to the society.
Okay. His life is
she took a revolutionary step against
so that
not complete, sir.
That's not that confirms other points which are there. You are already against people around there, so it is going to you got stuck around there. What you did not know what is to be done, and so that's why you left it in between. So that called blocking. Aage chalo.
They hugged and said goodbye.
Okay, okay. Next.
She is very adventurous and daring.
Okay. Next.
She always thanked everyone who helped her.
Okay. Next.
A teacher supports her students
Till then. Good.
till 10th.
This shows this is the type of sentence gives you credit. Okay. Next.
She had a hint how to solve the problem.
So you require help and assistance. Okay. So now that's completes the